Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how you can create a professional-looking thumbnail for your vlog channel. If you are a traveler or someone who loves to travel and upload videos on YouTube, but you don't know how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos, then this video is for you. So without delay, create an account on Canva. For your information, I'm using the Canva free version. So you can also create good-looking thumbnails with the Canva free version. So create your account. And after that, in the search bar, type "for a vlog YouTube thumbnail." And don't worry about the dimensions. The correct dimensions are already set for YouTube thumbnails. Thumbnails are already created. Just explore more. Click Show More, and you can see how professional they look. As you can see, just explore them and choose whichever you like. Just customize it. Maybe I'll go with this one, or maybe this one, but this is the paid one. Okay, this is free, and I like it. So if you just explore, and after you find one that you like, or that meets your expectations, just customize it. And now you can modify anything you want. For example, I will start to customize it. Just double-click on it, and you can customize your text. And if you want to replace your image with a template image, then to do that, just go to Uploads and upload it from your computer. After uploading, your image will appear here, and you can just drag it to replace it. So if you want to change the image of this one, just drag it, and like this, you can replace it. Same with others. Like this, you can replace or reposition them. Just double-click, and you can reposition it as well. And like this, you can do whatever you want. If you want to change the background, go to Elements, or you can upload your own background from your computer. But I'm using the Canva library, so go to Elements, search for Backgrounds. Yeah, Backgrounds. And I'll go to Photos. And here you will see a lot of options for your thumbnail, and maybe a travel background. Because it's like this, you can add whichever background fits your thumbnail. So yeah, I've customized it. And now, if you are satisfied with all your modifications, the arrangement, and everything else, then to download it, you need to go to the Share option and then go to Download. You should download in PNG to upload the thumbnail to your YouTube video. So just download as PNG and you are ready to upload your thumbnail. Yeah, that was a simple process. Just explore all these Canva features. They are really easy to use, and you can try whatever you like. Within a few weeks, you'll get even better at using Canva.